Today we have started the second branch of Country Oven. We are already running an outlet in Ameerpet and we've been successful with that. So we've started a second unit. This is the second full-fledged unit. We already have a lot of smaller units in other IT companies and several other companies and hospitals. So this is the second full-fledged unit we have started in Hyderabad. We're also starting a third unit in a month or so in New Jersey, and we're very happy about that also. Like you can see, we have a lot of variety available in specialty pastries and desserts and cookies, and even in breads. We have special breads for diabetic people, masala breads, and also for the coming Christmas season, we have introduced plum cakes, marzipan cakes, stolen breads, and a lot of special stuff which comes out only in Christmas. And we also make a lot of custom-made cakes, and especially during the New Year time when it's very busy with the cake season coming up, we have introduced a lot of different kinds of designs in cakes. And also we have introduced ice creams with the Cold Stone concept here with mix-ins and all, and also submarines wherein you can add your choice of vegetables. We've also introduced pancakes and waffles. We're getting in the international concept here to Hyderabad. We are also planning on expanding to other cities, not just in Andhra Pradesh, but also hopefully in other cities and other states, even in India. And like I've already said, we have a branch opening in New Jersey also. So we are looking to expand even in the US. We do door delivery also. Oh, and if I haven't mentioned already, we have an e-commerce site. And we were the first bakery, in fact, one of the first enterprises to start e-commerce delivery and the concept of e-commerce in India. So we also deliver, in fact, even in the US. A lot of people don't know that, but we also deliver in the US through the e-commerce side. If you have ever had anything at Country Oven, you will know that we give quality the most importance ever. I mean, we use the best quality ingredients. The most important thing is if you use fresh and good ingredients, the outcome, the product will come out well. So if you've ever had, you will know how fresh and how tasty the food here is. So like you can see now, the city is growing a lot. Nowadays, towards Madhapur and High-Tech City, the city has grown a lot. So that's the reason why we have come from Ameerpet. We have started another unit here. Thank you.